ओके, सो हमने लास्ट सेशन में देखा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मीन बाय ट्रांसक्रिप्टोमिक्स. नाउ इन दिस सेशन वी विल लर्न what is DNA microarray technology. This DNA microarray technology is used to study the transcriptomics. Okay, now let's learn what is DNA microarray technology. So DNA microarray technology is also known as DNA chip, right? This DNA chip allows us to simultaneously measure the level of transcription, that is called as a gene expression in the genome. What is transcription? Transcription is a process of copying DNA into messenger RNA that we have seen in our last session only. Now this conversion of DNA into messenger RNA is environmental dependent. As I discussing that with you, that whenever a requirement of protein is there, at that time only DNA is converted to RNA and RNA is converted to protein. So whenever those things, whenever the moment is come that expression of that particular gene is required, at that time only they are going to express, and that is totally dependent on environment. Now this microRNA basically detect messenger RNA or the cDNA component of that messenger RNA, like this messenger RNA coming from the DNA. So instead of detecting this messenger RNA, they used to convert this messenger RNA into DNA and then detecting it. That's why this technique is called as a DNA microarray technology. Now what is the general procedure? So first of all, you need to have a sample. From that sample you will extract the RNA. Through reverse transcription process, this RNA will be converted to the DNA. That is more profoundly I should say cDNA. Now this cDNA can be analyzed using by several probes by the method which is called as a hybridization, that we will see later on what do you exactly mean by hybridization. That data will be analyzed, and after analysis and after comparison with the database, the data is validated. This is the overall procedures of any DNA microarray technology. That first of all we should have a sample. From that sample we will extract the RNA. From that RNA the DNA is created through the process which is called as a reverse transcription, and the concept of hybridization is applied. That is the principle of the DNA microarray technology. Whatever result you got, that is compared with the database, and after comparing with the database the validation is done. Okay, this is how this DNA microRNA look like. Now let's see the principle of DNA microarray in next session.